So delicious. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a pineapple banana smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and follow me on all social at and booth. Okay, thank you so much guys. So let's dive right into this. So I have here some pineapple slices, cut up pineapple chunks, yeah, from this pocket, and I have 3 ripe bananas that I will be using, coconut water and a yogurt. Okay, and I have my blender, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Okay, I'm gonna add my yogurt. This is the one I'm using. Add some coconut water. I'm using this one as usual. Okay. I'm gonna cover and there I have it guys, my pineapple banana smoothie. So let's glass them. No ice is needed. So beautiful. I like the color. So beautiful guys. And it tasting really good. Pineapple make things taste good, and banana. So this combination is great. Yeah, so go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.